e-greeting cards. Let's go to Shama at the BSE office where the Muhurat trading is taking place. Just about 15 to 18 minutes just left there at the stock exchange. What's the trading like? What's the mood like now? Just 15 minutes left. The more or less the markets opened on a firm note, Shama. So right now it's like 70 points up. So what's the mood like there at the headquarters?
Right, mood is definitely all in faith and all positive mood is there. I'd also like to tell you that the BSE, they felicitated the top achievers in BSE today. One of the achievers is there with us, Viraj. He's from the Moneyplex Security Private Limited. Tell us, what is your expectation really for the next Samvat 2071?
To be very honest, first happy Diwali to everybody. To be very honest, what I feel is in next 3 years we would double up. We would double up or something like that. And secondly, the Indian economy is actually booming. Infrastructure, power stocks, banking, those all are very much very lucrative, and you should go in today and buy it. This is what I feel. But the perspective of 3 years, they'll double up.
We also heard that Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he is giving out various packages and various decisions he is making out, and we can also say he is a development oriented Prime Minister for India. How do you look at this new government from the perspective of development and economy?
To be very honest, this BJP government is, they know where the corporate is actually lacking, what are the hazards which is stopping us from growing. So they are getting a lot of support to the business houses where we can promote India and the Indian markets. A lot of FDI, the foreign investment, is going to come down to India, so which will make the market very, very attractive. So I hope next 2-3 years would be very booming for Indian economy.
We also saw that this year 27% BSE had already achieved. This year around, how much do you expect?
It's 26% this year, but next year it would be around 30-35%. This is what we are expecting. But in 3 years, again and again I'm saying it, in 3 years we would double up. At 2020, I see India to be superpower.
All right, so this was one of the achievers, and you heard that from 27% he's now hopeful of 30 to 35%. So this is the entire mood over here because really this is a ritualistic Muhurat trading, and so faith is the key when you are trading and when you are looking for the year ahead. Siddhant.
बिल्कुल जी, 26 से 27% का अगर हमने देखा कि इस बार रन अप आया है, और अगर हाँ ये इस साल का है, अगर ये मान के चलें कि ये 35% के आसपास का रन अप ये उम्मीद कर अगले साल, तो आपका जो सेंसेक्स है मान लीजिए 40,000 के पार जा सकता है। तो ये सबसे बड़ी बात है, क्लोज टू 50,000 की आप बात कर सकते हैं। बहरहाल छोटा सा ब्रेक लेते हैं। सेंसेक्स तो धूम मचाने को तैयार है, दौड़ने को तैयार है, भागने को तैयार है, ऊंची उड़ान भरने को तैयार है, लेकिन ऐसे में कहां कुछ निवेश की रणनीति आप बनाएंगे, जानेंगे सीधे BSE हेडक्वार्टर से, जहां श्यामा हमारे साथ मौजूद है। साथ ही तबस्सुम से भी जुड़ते रहेंगे, लेकिन आप बने रहिए अरुण और सिद्धांत के साथ इस खास पेशकश में।